COVID would be around, you're targeting 60 million Filipinos to be vaccinated. Okay. That's no easy job. That is not a walk in the park. And it will transcend maybe the whole of the next year, 2021. So, is there a way that we can spend for all this testing, makabili tayo, makamura tayo, kung may pera pa, maghanap tayo, so that it is actually, to me, the sacred duty of government to protect its citizens. Now, in cases of pandemic, which is beyond control by anybody, that is why it is spreading in the whole world. It's not an epidemic, it's pandemic. So we can expect more because vaccinating 60 million, I said, would really be you have to walk the extra mile there. So, baka, if you can give me a figure, akin, pera na lang, wag na lang yung the quality, or the make, I'm not concerned with that. Tingnan ko kung may pera, magbili na lang tayo in all government hospitals or in health centers, mabigay natin libre, free of charge. Target the first or second quarter if you can have a program where I can review and look for the money.
Will do, sir. Gagawin ko po kagad.
Thank you.